Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to a new episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, a platform that's all about revolutionizing maintenance and reliability. Today we're bringing you a captivating conversation with James Reyes-Picknell, a seasoned professional with over 40 years in the field. You'll gain insights into the evolution of asset management, the Uptime Pyramid of Excellence, and practical tips to enhance your maintenance strategies. Now let's get to it. James begins by highlighting the progression of asset management over the years. From the initial days of relying on sturdy hardware and reactive maintenance, the industry has transitioned towards a more refined approach using predictive maintenance and advanced technologies. James reflects on the days of punch cards and the dawn of the internet, contrasting them with today's high-tech environment where CMMS play a crucial role. A main point of our discussion is the Uptime Pyramid of Excellence, a model that James has fine-tuned over the years. The pyramid is divided into 3 tiers: leadership and strategy at the base, essentials of maintenance in the middle, and effectiveness at the top. James underlines the significance of leadership in propelling maintenance initiatives, explaining that without robust direction and support from top management, maintenance efforts are likely to stumble. James also covers common obstacles that organizations face when implementing maintenance strategies. One significant error is trying to implement modifications incrementally without a complete approach or sufficient support from other departments like supply chain and operations. He emphasizes the need to see maintenance not just as a cost, but as an investment in the organization's productive capacity. Looking to the future, James conveys excitement about the potential of technological advancements to further boost maintenance practices. He is particularly eager about the prospect of teaching the next generation of maintenance professionals, underlining the importance of understanding the basics of reliable asset management. For those keen to apply the Uptime Pyramid of Excellence in their own operations, James suggests securing support from senior leaders and adopting a methodical approach to implementing best practices. He proposes a practical exercise to identify and prioritize maintenance improvements, which involves collecting ideas from team members and classifying them to concentrate on the most impactful areas. James ends by advocating for a change in perception about maintenance, encouraging business and engineering schools to acknowledge its value in organizational success. He advocates for a rebranding of maintenance departments as reliability departments to highlight their vital role in ensuring operational efficiency. James's insights not only illuminate the historical and future trends in asset management, but also offer actionable advice for professionals seeking to enhance their maintenance strategies. His passion for education and improvement continues to inspire many in the industry, making him a true mastermind in maintenance. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the evolution of asset management, the Uptime Pyramid of Excellence, and the importance of leadership in maintenance initiatives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future episodes. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in your organizations.